What's important to you when you're buying a home? What makes a home special? What are the reasons why you fall in love with a home? Here are my top 5 reasons why you're gonna love 2955 Thomas Street, Unit 26. Number 5. This 3-story, 1,800 square foot townhome is an end unit. You're surrounded by fewer neighbors and you have more windows that provide a great abundance of natural light. It's more like a semi-detached than a townhome. Number 4, a beautiful newly renovated kitchen. This large eat-in kitchen has quartz countertops, all new stainless steel appliances, and a walkout to a private deck with a gas hookup for your barbecue. Number 3, this home has been newly renovated. New hardwood floors, new pot lights, new windows, new bathrooms, refinished stairs, and a remodeled primary bedroom with a large custom walk-in closet. Turnkey ready for you to move in and enjoy. Number 2, affordability. You get a whole lot of bang for your buck with this home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,800 square feet of living space, attached single-car garage, private driveway, and a ground level walkout to your backyard that backs onto a community park. Perfect for the kids and dogs to play in. The number 1 reason why you're gonna love 2955 Thomas Street, Unit 26 is location. You are located in the top-rated school district of John Fraser and Gonzaga Secondary School. You're close to the GO Station, Erin Mills Town Center, and minutes from Highway 401 and Highway 403. A great house in a great location for a great price. That's why you're gonna love 2955 Thomas Street, Unit 26. It's time for you to get living and live a great story.